120mm 5 volts USB RGB fan. Take out all the accessories. Install the net covers on the fan, align the long screws with the hole, and then secure it with the magnetic screws. Power up. The magnetic screws have strong magnetic force at the bottom, which can fix the fan in a position without screw holes, such as a mini PC, to reduce the temperature of the device. Install the net cover on the fan, align the long screws with the hole, and then secure it with the magnetic screws. First, tear the white paper on the metal plates, and then stick the metal plates to the sides of the fan wherever it needs to be cooled. After the metal plate is firmly attached, put on the fan and power on it. Note the size of the fan. 4.72 inch by 4.72 inch small fan. The fan has a vibrant light effect suitable for mini PC, computer case, TV, game console and other need-to-cool scene.